All right. So 88 Thomas,
I'm here, Judge.
Deputy, I'm sure we don't have this inmate, right?
Who's the inmate again?
Here we go. It was on Lamarck Tucker. No, I'm sorry. What was the name for him? It wasn't
Lee
Lamarck Tucker.
Thomas.
Thomas.
No, I don't have a Thomas here today.
Oh yeah, that's right. Because all
I
right.
just put it in
Okay.
and his case number.
B.
You know, I believe the attorney wants to do a consent bond, and that's something we can do separate from this calendar.
So can we just put it on for Wednesday? And
You know,
then if
the
y'all,
calendar, oh goodness, the calendar for Wednesday is enormous. If he sends me a email just to remind me so I can go ahead and get the paperwork done, we probably can handle it without it being, if the court wants to give it a week, put it on for like next Monday, and that'll
yeah,
give
but
us
if you
time to do
think
the consent.
okay, have y'all discussed the case already in breakout?
We didn't discuss it, but he sent me a chat saying that's what he wants to do. And if I recall the case correctly, that will work. That would be acceptable to the state.
That's why I
Um,
was just saying put it on Wednesday because you guys really have already worked it out for the most part. No?
if
Okay.
the court wants to do that, I just wouldn't. That calendar is really big, really, really big. So
All right. And
We
so,
would be amenable to a consent order, and so if the court wants to put it for Wednesday, that's fine. 'Cause I think it can get worked. Want to waive the
if,
prelim bond.
what about February the 9th? Y'all have to the 9th to work it out.
I, I
Monday the
have
9th.
I have court in Chatham County. I wouldn't be able to do that.
Okay. So
yeah,
let's just put it on Wednesday and y'all get it worked out and if you get it worked out, Attorney Thomas, you don't have to appear.
Okay, so how would we advise the court that it's worked out? Do we email?
Well, if you get it signed off, then 88 Thomas will just make the announcement and say that that bond that you guys have a consent bond has been signed, and the court has already received it.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're definitely welcome to log on just to make sure.
Well, like I said, I put the case number in the chat. So you said you're gonna put it on for Wednesday?
Yes, but please have it worked out before Wednesday, because like she said, that's a huge calendar on Wednesday.
Absolutely. Thank you very much. Thank you.
All right, so we're gonna add on here Lee Thomas, the left. Oh yeah, Lee Thomas. Do you have his email address, 88 Thomas?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, and we'll move that to
I'm putting it in
Wednesday.
the chat. Well, my email address.
All right, they should get you the paperwork over, and that should get resolved before Wednesday, hopefully.
Thank you very
All
much.
right,
Thank you.
if that's all you have a great day.
Thank you, Chicken.
All right, now about to call the calendar. This is the felony preliminary hearing calendar. Today is February the 2nd, Black History Month. When I call your case, please make your announcements. Quentin Alexander, Attorney Florio, indicated that he'll check back in. He had to be in another courtroom. Deontay Amore,
State will be ready.
That's with Attorney Craig Lewis. Hold for his report.
DeAnthony Banks,
You know, I think something might be going on with that one. Let me double check. Hmm.
Deputy,
Show
when,
him.
but hold on one second, AD Thomas. Deputy, if you would ask the inmates when their name is called, if they could just raise their hand. They don't have to say anything, but just raise their hand. Okay, so that's Mr. Armour is in the courtroom. I think that's right. That's him raising his hand.
Your Honor, did you call Anthony Banks or Deontay Armour?
The Anthony Banks.
I don't have him on my main calendar. Do they have him?
Banks.
Anthony Banks? Is he there in court?
See a hand raised. Deputy, do you have the Anthony Banks?
No, ma'am.
Ms. Davis, who represents Mr. Banks?
Oh, that's me, Judge. It's gonna be a pre-trial, but I expect it might end up being a hearing, but it's gonna be a pre-trial.
So, because he's on my calendar, ADA Thomas.
He's not on mine. Mr. Rogers, you have him on yours?
No, I mean, he was assigned to me, but I don't have like some sort of separate calendar or anything, but he was assigned to me.
I realized that he was on Judge Case Johnson calendar. That's why I assigned him, Your Honor.
Say that again?
He's on the calendar. He's in the security housing unit. That's why he's not up here right now.
I show him on the calendar as well.
Not on mine. Okay.
You said, what did you say, Deputy? He's where?
He's in our security housing unit, so we go get them as needed.
Oh, okay. Is he needed, Attorney Rogers?
Okay.
I would have well, it kind of depends on the
The
outcome
announcement?
of the conversation, yes, ma'am. Because
Okay.
like I said, I can talk to her if we worked out a deal. That'd be one thing, but I don't know if that's going to happen. So then it would be a hearing, and that's why I say it kind of depends on what the state says.
All right. And so ADA Thomas, I'm going to presume since your calendar doesn't have his name, you aren't ready and prepared for this one?
No, ma'am, I would not be. I would need to pull this back. I can talk to Attorney Rogers because I think he's actually a continuance. He's been reset from another calendar, so I can talk with him, but I don't think I'm going to have a witness if it's going to be a hearing.
So what do y'all want to do with this one today? You want
Can we
to
just hold
put it
it?
down as a PT? Okay.
Can we just hold it and let me see what we can do?
Yeah. Keenan Bird.
State will be ready.
And that was a hearing at last check, Judge. But I think Mr. Bird is not quite up, kind of the same situation as the deputy explained.
Okay. All right. Miguel Chadwick.
State's ready. The officer's logged on.
Hold for now.
Chadwick.
Attorney,
Looks like
Attorney
somebody
Craylow,
raised
Your
their
Honor.
hand. Oh, that's
Attorney
someone
Craylow is Your Honor.
Okay. All right. James Dale.
State will be ready.
No. Wait. Okay. James Dale.
Pre-trial, Judge.
Mhm.
Your Honor, do you have a Terrence Cofield on your calendar?
Yes, I was about to go back.
Okay.
That's Attorney Lewis' case. That's the prisoner.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Uh-huh.
My attorney name is Nefertari Clark.
That's what I have on the calendar, Your Honor.
Okay. I've never heard of that attorney, but Clark.
It's a paid attorney. My apologies, Judge.
Okay, well, that attorney didn't file anything into the court system, letting the courts know, nor have she appeared. Do you know if she knew about the court date?
Your Honor, she's on the calendar. Her name is there, and she was here the last court date.
Yeah, she was here last court date, so
I believe she had just been retained on the previous court date, John.
yes, ma'am.
All right, did you expect to see her here today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if you could try to reach out to Miss Clark and see if she's gonna log on. All right. All righty. And so James Dale, who was the attorney for Mr. Dale?
I have down that is Attorney Rogers, he announced pretrial. Is that correct, Attorney Rogers?
That's correct.
Okay.
Quincy Dewberry.
State will be ready.
Okay, he's in the courtroom.
Move for report, Your Honor. Attorney Craig Lewis. And also
Gary-
Dixon.
And Dixon as well, okay. Darius Dixon, ADA Thomas.
I believe that's also Attorney Lewis, Your Honor, if I heard Ms. Davis correctly.
Okay, I'll just hold for your announcement on that one.
And the officer is present, so state's ready.
So the state is ready. Attorney Holly, Marquette Donald, that's gonna be a waiver. That's
Yes, ma'am.
attorney. Shane Downs,
State will be ready.
Move for report, Attorney Craig Lewis.
James Holloway,
State's ready. Officers logged on.
okay, see,
Attorney Craig.
all right, I see Mr. Holloway is in the courtroom.
Your Honor, I have one, two, three people that the court, I'm just trying to make sure they're Gallimore, Goodrum, and Harlan. Does the court have those three?
Moore is bonded out, ADA Thomas.
All three of them?
Goodrum is Chris Tolles. He'll be logging in at 10 a.m.
Gallimore's out to bond.
Yes.
So I'm, hold on.
Goodrum,
Oh yeah, I have good one. I hadn't gotten there yet. Wait, I did. I'm sorry. Did I miss Johnny Goodwin?
Yes, you did, Your Honor.
Did you say? But I wrote down Attorney Lewis. The Attorney Lewis don't represent Goodrum.
No, Goodrum is Chris Tolles, Your Honor.
Oh, that's Tolles.
Yeah,
Okay,
he'll be logging in at about 10, he said.
so
And-
Goodrum is Tolles. Hold on one second. And who else did you say?
Spencer Harlan.
That defendant bonded out, ADA Thomas.
Okay, I
Thank you.
don't have that one.
And Your
Yeah.
Honor, Ms. Bermudez is logged on, just in case.
Okay. And so what was Shane Downs' announcement?
That's Attorney Lewis and hold for report.
Okay, all right. And do we have Mr. Downs in the courtroom? I don't see him.
No, ma'am, he's also in our security housing unit.
Okay, all righty. All right, so Humani Quesby?
Hmm?
Elder or Eater? Right, he's in the courtroom.
What was the name again?
Huamani, is the last name?
H-U. I don't have that one at all.
He's not an attorney, ADA Thomas's calendar. Your Honor, that defendant is, I'm seeing Lister and Holt listed for that defendant. He's not an ADA Thomas's calendar either.
It's an interesting day.
You saying it's on the wrong calendar?
Yes, Your Honor, I see Lister and Holt listed.
Ms. Davis, what does this show him being charged with?
It showed theft by taking criminal trespass and battery.
That sound like Miss Green.
Theft by taking is the felony.
Oh,
Yeah, the theft by taking is a felony.
He's not assigned to us, Your Honor.
Okay, so I need to get him assigned.
Your Honor, you forgot James Holloway.
Excuse me?
James Holloway.
I don't understand what you're saying.
I think she's saying
James
James Holloway.
Huh? What about it?
You skipped over that one.
Not Attorney Lewis, is that wrong?
No, she didn't, Yate. She called him.
Oh, okay. Yes, I can barely hear too.
All right, so we need, Mr. Humani needs to be appointed. And so 88 Thomas, he wasn't on your calendar.
No, ma'am.
Yeah, it should have, he's on my calendar. Oh, I don't understand. How are we getting different calendars?
I think it depends on when we pull them, Your Honor. But in any case, we'll work around. I'll work around.
And so, but he's not gonna have counsel today
Mm.
unless Attorney Davis, Miss Davis.
No, Your Honor, he has to be appointed to our office and placed on another calendar, and I'll assign him to one of our attorneys.
Been here since. All righty, so we'll have to continue it. Because he don't have attorney appointed.
Mm.
Yeah, I hate that because, all righty, so, Gotcha, what's the next available calendar?
The next available calendar is, I'm sorry. Yeah, February 23rd. Or we can do the 25th. Because anything after that, he'll be going into March.
He has no other criminal history at all. And
Well,
so,
are you looking to put him on earlier, like February 16th?
all right, he may have an immigration hold. Yeah, it looks like he has an immigration hold. And if they haven't actually put it on him, it's on his history.
Your Honor, are
That
you looking at are you looking at his criminal history or are you looking at CPUA?
it's criminal history.
Okay, let me see what CPUA says, because if there's an ICE hold or anything, it usually will show it. I just need a few minutes to log on.
Okay. It says, the language says, what happened to it? ICE records indicate that subject appears to have an outstanding warrant of removal pending with ICE.
Does Miss Thomas Stanley, do you have a LE number for him?
LE number for Huamani?
Yeah, I'm waiting on.
235, it's 235-94.
It's still trying to think whether or not it wants to
Okay.
open up. 235.
9440.
He's still thinking. As soon as it comes up, I can put the number in and see what it says. If the court wants to go ahead and finish calling the calendar, I'll check it as soon as it comes up.
Hold on this one. All right, Deontay Jenkins.
State's ready. The officer's logged on.
Good trial, Judge.
Maya Jones.
State's ready. Officer's logged on.
Same announcement, Judge.
Mhm. James Kelly.
State will be ready.
Attorney Clear Lewis, hold for report.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't look. Deontay Jenkins, are you in there? Raise your hand. All right, he's in there. Maya Jones, she's probably not going to be in there with the males.
Sure.
She's in here, Your Honor. She's just off.
I see somebody. Okay, all right. James
Also,
Kelly, is
he's
Mr.
there
Kelly in
also.
there?
He's there also.
Okay, all right. And then I got Lopez Luna Lorenzo.
State will be ready.
Oh, I missed one, but that's good. Let's finish this one.
State will be
Your
ready.
Honor.
That's Attorney Lewis.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, what about Leva Flores? Flores, isn't that Attorney Flores case? I mean, Florio case?
Let's see.
It is, Your Honor.
Okay.
It is,
Mm-hmm.
so we're holding for him.
Yes.
The state will be ready.
And do we have Flores, Flores in the courtroom? Okay, yeah, he's in there. All right, James Moyer, Attorney Smalls, she says she's gonna report back.
Yes.
And Stephanie Sweeting.
State will be ready.
She's
John,
in
do you have
our-
Peter Sampson?
Say that again?
Do you have a Peter Sampson? Would have been right before Sweeting.
That defendant has bonded out, ADA Thomas.
Thank you, ma'am.
So Sweeting,
State will be ready.
She's in here, Your Honor.
say that again? Oh, okay, all right, let's turn around this case.
Your Honor, did you call Moy?
Yes,
Moy? Okay. That's with,
Attorney Smalls, and she had to
okay.
go check in another courtroom. Sweeting, what about Taylor? Orenthal Taylor?
State's ready. The officer's logged on.
Okay.
Pretrial judge.
And Landmark Tucker, Mr. Mondelli, that's a bond waiver, consent bond waiver. And then Lee Thomas has been continued to Wednesday. Did I miss anyone?
Your Honor, let me make an announcement. For Quincy Dewberry, Attorney Chris Tolles represent that defendant. Quincy Dewberry, not Claire Lewis.
Okay,
Yes,
all right.
hired Chris Tolles.
Any other announcements?
Your Honor.
All right, and so
Your Honor.
we have yes?
In regards to James Moy, he won't be coming up today. He started a fire down at House Unit 5.
Oh my God.
So we're gonna continue him to 225. Was it 225? Yes, we'll continue him to 225. We'll let the council know.
Your Honor, is that also the date for Hamani as well, 225? I didn't hear what the continuous date was for him.
We said we were gonna go back to it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we're gonna go back to that one.
Judge,
All
I'm
right.
trying to get CPU 8 to come up, but it's doing what it want to do today.
Move